Are you frustrated with Marvel Rivals crashing right when you're about to crush your opponents? Getting errors like an Unreal process has crashed or GPU crash dump triggered? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the only working fixes that will get you back in the game in no time. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. First up, make sure your GPU drivers are updated. Here's how. If you're on NVIDIA, go to the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app or download the latest drivers from their official website. For AMD users, update using the AMD Adrenalin software. After updating, restart your PC and check if the game runs smoothly. Step 2. Verify game files. Corrupted game files could be the culprit. Here's how to fix them. Open your game launcher, whether it's Steam or Epic Games. Navigate to your library and find Marvel Rivals. Right-click the game, select Properties, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will repair any broken files. Once done, launch the game again. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. If you're still facing crash, tweak your in-game settings. Open the game and go to Settings. Lower your graphics quality to medium or low. Disable advanced options like ray tracing or VSync. This reduces the GPU load and prevents crash caused by overworked hardware. Marvel Rivals may crash due to compatibility issues with DirectX 12. Forcing the game to run on DirectX 11 can solve this. Open your game launcher and go to the game's launch options. At this command, -DX11 launch the game and see if the issue is resolved. And there you have it. These are the only working fixes for the Marvel Rivals error. An Unreal process has crashed or GPU crash dump triggered. If this helped you, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and reliable error fix solutions. Happy gaming!